Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Campbell Chronicles, and I am super excited today to bring to you some great news. But before we get into that, I just want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you so much. We recently hit our 1,000 subscriber goal. I cannot believe it, guys. I mean, to be honest, I'm truly thankful. Thank you to everybody who is a subscriber. Thank you if you're watching this. If you're here for the first time, our channel is all about family, travel, and Disney. From tips and tricks to the parks, cruises, and more, we bring it to you. This is a one-stop shop for everything you need to know about the Disney and travel. We go from the parks, we go for the cruises, and to stretch it even further, we do some everyday travel stuff as well. So again, thank you for those who are joining us. And if you're just now joining us, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe so you can get in on this giveaway. And that's what we're here today for, is to announce our giveaway. That's right, because we hit 1,000 subscribers, I said it, and I'm gonna stick to my word. We're gonna be doing a giveaway. Here's what we're gonna be giving away this time. We picked up some recent goodies from our land and sea vacation at Disney World and on the Disney cruise, and I just thought it would be a great idea to come and give back to you guys who have given us, the Campbell Chronicles, so much. So for starters, we picked up these at, you may have seen them around, we picked these up at the Magic Kingdom. They're Haunted Mansion glasses. I'm gonna take this little thing off. The Haunted Mansion glasses here, they're in gray. They have the Haunted Mansion wallpaper on the side there. On the inside, it's all black, but on the outside it's grayed Haunted Mansion wallpaper. I think these are pretty cool. They kind of got that Ray-Ban style with the beads on the sides. I think they're pretty slick. But yeah, so that's the first thing we're going to be giving away. The second thing that we're going to be giving away is something that we picked up on the Disney Fantasy from our 7-night cruise to the Western Caribbean. That's going to be these puppies here. This is a salt and pepper shaker with the cruise ship. You know, the smokestacks are the salt and pepper shakers. So that's pretty cool. I think these are awesome. We do have a set of these ourselves, and we love them. We use them all the time. These are super fun, if you're into collecting these sort of things, these are a perfect way to celebrate cruising, celebrate Disney in general. Just, it's awesome. So, salt and pepper shakers from the Disney Fantasy. And the big kahuna, the grand finale, here it is, guys. We're gonna be giving away a Loungefly Wallet. That's right, this is an exclusive Disney Parks Loungefly Wallet. I'll get into some details here. It's got the black and white theme and some Mickeys on the back doing different winking faces or just smiling. You got the Disney Parks Loungefly logo right there. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna open this up for you here. A little snap button there. You got slots for all your credit cards on the side here. This one is a little zipper pocket in the side. You just zip right down the middle. You can put coins in there. You got a lot of room for storage. It's kind of cool. A lot of space in this little wallet. And on the other side, you got an ID holder, slots for more cards, and another place to stash maybe some cash right there, whatever you want really. And that has the same thing on the other side too, by the way. So really a great wallet. This one can only be found in the Disney parks. In fact, I think they retired it because we got it right before they stopped. But correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, so that's our grand finale. So here's what you need to know if you want to get on this giveaway. We are going to be going live April 23rd at 12 p.m. That's noon o'clock Mountain Daylight Time. You got to be there live for this giveaway, okay? I know that I have some people out there who are from on the other side of the world. I apologize. This is one thing I could really do to get back to you guys, and hopefully doing it on a Saturday helps those who may be on the opposite side of the world so you can watch. But yeah, that's 12 o'clock p.m. Saturday the 23rd of April 2022. All right, so be there live for this giveaway. If you want your hands on one of these, put it in the comment section below, because if you've been here for one of our giveaways, you know that we use a little bit of these comments here. So definitely put a comment down there which one you're most excited for, whether it be the salt and pepper shakers, the Haunted Mansion sunglasses, or that Loungefly Mickey Disney Parks wallet. Let me know in the comments below. And guys, if you're here for the first time, hit that like button, subscribe, and shout out. Let us know where you're watching from. Put it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Again, we do all things family, travel, and Disney, so if you value those things, definitely subscribe to our channel because you're not going to want to miss out on what we have in store. One more time, 12 p.m. the 23rd of April, 2022. We'll see you guys live. Look for links in the Facebook group. Look for links on our Instagram. You won't miss it. If you follow us on Facebook, that's where most of the links are going to go. You won't miss it. So we'll see you guys there. Thanks again for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure, and remember, adventure is out there.